Business email compromise is a growing problem for not only businesses in the United States, but those globally. This crime should have every business owner or board of directors' attention because the criminals are showing no mercy with whom they are going after. Hey there, it's Chip Fridrich, and let's dive into this ever-growing scam that in 2017 alone was responsible for $5.3 billion worth of losses to businesses globally. Business email compromise revolves around deception, plain and simple. This trickery can be formed by phishing, social engineering, identity theft, spoofing, and malware. Usually the main purpose of the criminals using these techniques is to deceive an employee or trusted advisor to wire or transfer funds to another key employee through email deception. The criminals study an organization, sometimes over a long period of time, and target potential connections within the group who would trust one another and deal with one another on financial matters. An example would be a CFO and a CEO, or owner of a small business and their internal accountant. Once this is established, they will spoof an email and begin communicating with the unknowing employee about financial matters. This is where the grooming process begins and the scam starts. It doesn't take long for thousands of dollars to flow out of a company without anyone noticing. Your company should have hard, fast rules about handling wires or transferring funds. Consider having multiple sign-offs on the handling of any money transaction that is outside the normal scope of your business. Always check the true reply address on emails to you. Confirm with an individual in person or over the phone about any wire transaction. Simply walking down the hall and confirming with the question of, "Did you just send me a wire request?" can be all that it takes to prevent a disaster. You or your employees should never accept a request for a wire or transfer by mail or email text alone. Question any transaction until it is confirmed. As far as how insurance is related to this crime, it should be noted that the industry is reacting very slowly to add adequate endorsements for commercial insurance policy forms so that coverage will be present in the event that you are a victim of business email compromise. It is not covered by the commercial crime policy because it is not an internal theft by one of the members of the organization. It is plain deception by an outside entity. Check your policy if this is a concern to you, but to be honest, it should be. You should not assume that your insurance is going to respond if this happens to your business. This is an ever-growing problem that's not going away. Contact our agency and we'll be more than happy to discuss business email compromise in detail with you. We have several carriers who are offering coverage for your company's protection against this crime. Our agency's boutique structure allows us to concentrate on our customer base in a unique fashion unlike others. We treat our customers like they're one of one, not one of several thousand. If you're interested in knowing more about our agency, contact us at info@fpa.insure.